As we're amidst a pandemic, tensions between China and US keep escalating. And can this be the reason for the big war? The answer is no. This won't cause a world war, but yes, it will leave a dent on China's image in the global front, which, if you ask me, was not really good to start with. So, what might be the reason for the next war? You see, China is a communist nation. China's regime is always trying to expand, as they believe it is their goal to rule Asia and most likely the world. And do you know which country is trying to give China a run for its money? It's India. But that's not why the next war will take place either. If the next war was to break out, it is going to be in the South China Sea. So yeah, let's talk about it. Oh China, why do you want to be such a bully that every country has to come and show you your place? China literally built artificial islands in the South China Sea so it can expand its maritime borders. It's claiming the disputed islands as their own, also naming them. Now remember what I said, this is a disputed region. While the rest of the world is busy fighting the coronavirus, yes, the same virus which came from China, China continues to flex its military power in this disputed region. They even sunk a Vietnamese ship. So why do they need this sea? Let's see. The South China Sea is rich in terms of natural resources. It has almost 11 billion barrels of oil, 190 trillion cubic feet of natural gases, and almost 11% of the world's fisheries. Also, 30% of the world's shipping trade happens through this sea. So any country which gets a hold of this region gets a hold of all those precious resources. And if you know China, they won't miss this opportunity at all. So how is building artificial islands gonna help? For that, we need to take a look at the UN Law of the Sea, which clearly states that any country's territorial borders extends 200 miles from their shores. This region is called as the EEZ, short for the Exclusive Economic Zone. All the resources in the EEZ are for the countries to be had. Now there is this small group of islands in the heart of the South China Sea, known as the Spratly Islands. But these are not even islands, they are just piles of sand. Nothing can be built there. But if you get hold of those islands, you not only get those islands, but according to the EEZ rule, you get more 200 miles in every direction surrounding those islands. So neighboring countries started building small houses there and even stuck some people there. But China takes this shit seriously. They want to conquer the world, you know. So they built islands. Okay, literally built islands. There are these before and after pictures of those islands. They didn't stop there. They also went on to install military bases there. So if ever there was a conflict there, China could have an upper hand. The neighboring countries are no match for China, so they can't do anything. But their allies will surely come to their rescue. The disputed region has seen claims from neighboring countries like Taiwan, Vietnam, Philippines, Brunei, and Malaysia. But China has started to increase the frequency of their military activities in those regions. How can this cause a war? And you're right to think so, as the other countries come nowhere near to China's military might. But they are seeing support from their allies, as I said earlier. Most importantly, USA. US Navy has been carrying out drills in the disputed region too. And you best believe when I say US Navy is having none of this shit from China. They won't just pass from nearby the island, they will travel in a circular path around those islands just to keep a check on China. China can't do anything in this situation. They can just give them a warning and leave. But it just takes one angry Chinese dude to attack any US ships, and oh boy, won't the USA ships retaliate. And this is inevitable. It will happen someday. And these aren't my words. The US's representatives have said this. Well, that's all for today. If you liked the video, do consider subscribing. More than half of our viewers are unsubscribed. We're just starting out, so I know there will be blunders in the editing, also in my voice recordings, but we will keep improving. Also, follow our Insta handles. We post channel related stuff over there.